Today we're making peanut butter chicken. Bags of flavour, no fussy ingredients and ready in 20 minutes. Start by putting your rice on to boil. The rice should take around 18 to 20 minutes to cook, so everything else will be made during that time. Now add a little oil into a large pan, one that you've got a lid for, and heat on a medium to high heat. Add the chopped chicken and cook until sealed, moving around the pan regularly to prevent it from sticking. Now the chicken is sealed, add in the sliced onion and cook for a further couple of minutes, just until the onion is beginning to soften. Next, we're going to add a heaped tablespoon, which is equivalent to 3 level tablespoons of ground coriander. It sounds quite a lot, but this is the only dry spice going in there. Stir to coat the chicken, and then drop in a couple of big dollops of creamy peanut butter. This is the key ingredient to this dish, adding loads of flavour. Personally, I can't stand peanut butter by itself, but in this meal I'm completely hooked. Squeeze in the juice of a lime. We could add more later if needed. And pour around 300 ml or 1 1/4 cups of chicken stock. A couple of stock cubes and water is absolutely fine. Give it a good stir, and then I like to add a finely chopped chilli at this point. Leave it out if you're not keen on spicy food though. Stir everything together and simmer with the lid on the pan for about 7 to 8 minutes until it's thick and bubbly. Now it's thickened, add in some fresh green beans to that rich sauce and simmer for a further 5 minutes with the lid off. You can toast some unsalted peanuts at this time to garnish the dish if you like. Serve the peanut butter chicken over steaming bowls of rice and top with some fresh coriander and those toasted peanuts. That's my 20-minute peanut butter chicken.